This is a 2009 BMW X5. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include xDrive, cornering lights, xenon headlights, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, roof rails, cruise control, wood trim interior accents, BMW individual composition, front and rear floor mats, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, and alloy wheels. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Phil Long Used Cars is located at 1510 Auto Mall Loop in Colorado Springs. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.